and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a huge Walmart haul. It is all baby clothes, obviously by the title, and I really wanted to show you guys all of these pieces. I got these yesterday and I'm filming today, and of course I want my baby girl to wear these already, even though we're in quarantine. I don't really care. Now, I have said this before, I feel like the past year and a half Walmart has really stepped up their game, and that also goes for the baby clothes. And the thing that I love is that they still stay true to their prices. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys are the clearance, and then I'm gonna move on to the regular ones that they are having right now. And I'm telling you guys, these are gonna sell out really quick. So if you see something you like, run to Walmart because they're not gonna last. Or if you really do not want to go into a Walmart store, just order online. One more thing before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. I do post 5 videos a week, and I would really love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first pieces that I wanted to show you guys are these shorts. So I got, I think, 5 pairs. So I got these right here. Now these are originally $2.88. These remind me of like 4th of July. I didn't buy them for that. I just bought them because they're cute and I love this bow detail right here. So I got this one. I got one of these. This is just so cute. Look at this. I got this one. This is probably one of my favorites. I love the fact that they made the bow yellow. It just really pops. I got this one. This is also one of my favorites. I love fruit for summer when they make it on kids' clothing. I just love that. And the last pair of shorts are these. These are also one of my favorites. This is also in trend right now, this tie-dye watercolor. I got all of these for $2 a piece. So that's why I got excited. I actually wanted to get more, but they didn't have in her size. So yeah, I just got these. Now moving on to the dresses. I mainly bought dresses and some tops. So the first one being is this one right here. I just love it. I have a thing for flamingos. Obviously, it's so summery and cute. And it has this little bow thing right here, this bow detail on both sides. And it also has a diaper cover, which I love. I love when they do that with dresses. There are some dresses that I have bought before and they do not have a diaper cover. I always think the dress looks cuter when you have a diaper cover because majority of the time when I carry my daughter, her diaper will show, and I just think it's cuter when you see this instead of her diaper, even though she's cute. But yeah, there's this one, and guess how much this was, guys? I'm gonna give you a little time just to guess. Okay, this was $4.96. $5 for this, guys. This would run you about $15 to $20 at Carter's and other baby stores. $5. It's not on clearance. That is a steal. And the next one is this one right here. The palm trees and tropical print is really in trend right now. And I was so happy that I got this. This is actually hands down my favorite out of all the dresses I'm gonna show you guys. This is the most cutest thing I have ever seen. I just cannot wait for her to wear this. So cute. And again, it comes with the diaper cover. And this was the same price, $4.96. Say what? Yes. And here is another one. This is also really cute. It has this little ruffle design right here. It has the ruffle right here, and it also goes all the way around in the back. And then again with the diaper cover, this was $4.96 as well. And these are by the brand, I didn't even tell you guys, this is by the brand Wonder Nation, and the shorts was by the brand Garanimals. I did notice that the Wonder Nation clothing are a little cheaper than the other ones I'm gonna show you, but nevertheless, everything I show you is super affordable. So moving on to the next pieces, I fell in love when I seen this. Is this not adorable? Oh my gosh. I have a thing for strawberries, cherries, like I told you, fruits, and this thing is so cute. I love the way it flows. It has this little ruffle design right here, and again it comes with the diaper cover, which I love. And this was $6.97. This was not on clearance, but Guys, when I seen these, you have no idea how excited I got. I was going like a crazy lady just grabbing stuff. So I love this one. And look at this bow right here. It's just the attention to detail is so perfect. And it's Walmart, guys. Walmart. And this brand is Child of Mine, made by Carter's. So this is made by Carter's. So I guess Carter's works with Walmart with these pieces, and let me tell you, they did an awesome job. The next one is this little number right here. This one says little sister. If you guys don't know, I have two girls. One is 14 and my baby girl is 7 months. And I wanted to get this because I love the saying little sister. My daughter is such a good big sister to her baby sister that I just had to get it. I just love it. And then it comes with the shorts. Now this is not a dress, obviously. It's a shirt, and it does have these little ruffle design right here. And the shorts, guys. Oh, when I seen it, I got so excited because I love the print. Obviously, super summery, and the yellow, I love it. I just love yellow. I just think that yellow looks good on so many people, and especially on my baby. So I love this one. And if I didn't mention, this was $8.94. The next one is again with strawberries, but this is different. The one I showed you before was a dress, and this one is a top with shorts. So, oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? So it has this cute little detail right here. It has these little pom-poms, if that's what you call them. Hopefully you guys can see that. And the shorts look like this, adorable. The way they look right here, oh my gosh. So yeah, this is super cute. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what Walmart is doing to me because I was so impressed when I saw this. So like I said, guys, I had to pick this up, and this was $8.94. So moving on is this one right here. It is a little kitty cat, and it's a shirt and shorts, and I absolutely love it. Look at this thing. It looks like this. The only thing I wish they would have done a little differently or added a little bit of more detail to it is I wish the tail would go all the way in the back right here and kind of connect it, but it's fine. I'm okay with that because I guess because I seen it at other children's stores. I think I seen it at Carter's, so I was hoping that they would do that, but honestly, I don't care. At the end of the day, I love it. And then one thing I noticed too is that the ears kind of pop out. You see that? And I actually just noticed that right now because I didn't notice it when I got it in the store. But super cute, and look at these shorts. Oh my gosh. And again, this is $8.94. Now, last but not least is this outfit right here. Now, obviously, you guys probably already know what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna use it for 4th of July, and I wanted to find a really cute outfit for 4th of July, and this one is just perfect. Now they did have other outfits for 4th of July, but I didn't really like it. Some were long sleeve. It was not my style for my baby, but this one is just perfect. I love the fact that they have these cute little hearts. I honestly thought when I first looked at it that they were like little pockets, but they're not, which I don't care. But I just love the way it looks. Look at this thing. It is so freaking cute. And the shorts I probably love even more. Look at this. Like the attention to detail. I love the fact that they put a little bow right here. It is just so adorable. And I just think this outfit is just perfect. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have still not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. And don't forget to also click the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. And like I said, I do post 5 days a week. So you will be seeing me Monday through Friday. So until next time, you guys stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.